Hello mga tanto ko. Well, another day, another celebration, you know. So right now, just a quick escape vacation because yung mga kids gusto chillax kasi exam week na next week. So finally decided to, get out of Manila and because magbe-birthday rin si Handsome, no? This month kasi is the birthday month ni Handsome, ako and my sister, no? Ayan sila. Hi naman kayo dyan! Achi! So yan, they're walking the dog and ayun lang. Tapos we're on our way to the pool, no? I just wanna swim, no? Swim lang, magre-relax, bonding, no? With the handsome guy. Say hi. And itong place where we are right now, baga free space ng mga pets, no? Kasi they can run around and look at Moshi, ano, saan niyang pupunta. Yan, tsaka si Prada. Yan. So Tutsi right now is at home kasi she just gave birth to 4 very healthy and beautiful puppies. And nakakatuwa, no? May liver line. Ayan. And ayun, on our way. Ayan. Dito lang sila talaga, hindi nakulong sa room. And masaya lang kasi syempre, 'di ba? They had the free time to hang around and really enjoy the place. Hi handsome guy.
Hi.
I cannot see you. Yan, dito rin si Handsome nakakapag-bike. Sila Achi walk around, you know. And Moshi. Very happy Moshi. Yan. So, kamusta naman kayo? Yeah? It's already months and lapit na Christmas. Yun, diba? Parang what's your plan for Christmas? Yeah. Yan yung mga tanong. So, dami. This week was very what can you say? Sobrang daming nangyari. You know? Sobrang nakakatuwa lang. It's just nice to be grateful, diba? Si Achi. Hi Achi! Hi madam! So these are the moments na yun nga sabi namin, no? Priceless. Kasi seldom you can do this in Manila, you know? Ganito, ang daming puno, wala masyadong tao, hindi maingay, diba? And yun, nakaka-relax lang, diba? Dito lang kami pool. Oo nga pala, congratulations to Moshi dahil he's already a dad, no? Nakakatuwa lang after how many years, kasi alam ko si Moshi came into the family like nung nag-pandemic. Parang siya yung napagtuunan ng pansin that time, diba? Everyone cannot go out, everyone's at home. So yan yung pinaka-spoiled na puppy namin. And nakakatawa lang, yesterday yun na nga, no? Tutsi gave birth and I start another journey and open another book in their life, no? Cute na mga babies, 3 girl, tapos isang boy, no? So yun, Ang saya lang kasi syempre, di ba? Finally, long wait is over kasi na-miss namin yung parang first time na nagkaroon ng fence si Tutsi. So, syempre, first time hindi namin alam how we gonna do it. Pero this time, okay na. Ayan. Who's with me? Gonna swim?
Hello.
Ayan. So yun, nakakatuwa lang. Yan. Ang ganda dito, di ba? Diba? Mga car enthusiast and fanatic. Itong place na to is so good kasi talagang mga nakatira rin dito. Medyo tahimik din, tsaka talagang tapos pag na-meet mo sila kahit di kayo magkakilala, nag-hello, nag-good morning, yung ganung ambience. Ang saya lang. Ayan, dito na kami sa pool area. And ang ganda dito, hindi crowded kasi very limited rin yung mga mga pupunta. Tapos this is the area. Oh, diba? Okay guys na kami. See you in a bit. Hello guys. Dito na kami, grabe. Ayan sila Madam, si Achi, Moshi, and Prada. Okay guys, so right now interviewing ko lang yung birthday boy natin. So handsome, what's your parang wish, or what do you think you want for your birthday?
Spend time with the family.
Wow! Talaga?
Yeah.
Spend more time, no?
Yeah.
More quality time, more like this, right? Grabe. Ayun guys, isa siguro sa mga naitanim ko sa kanila, no? As a father, as a parent, kami. Yung parang, if they had the best already, and there are occasions na dumadating, hindi mo na maririnig sa kanila yung yung, alam mo, Dad, I like this one, I like this, Dad, buy me like this, buy me like this. Walang, yun yung sobrang na-appreciate ko lang, na parang nagawa namin, na parang sila sobrang andun na ang parang pinaka gusto na lang nila is to spend more time with the family. So dun mo makikita na talagang sobra nilang na-appreciate yung bonding moments, no? And nakakatuwa lang, 'di ba? Syempre hindi sa lahat ng bata ganun yung maririnig mo eh. And ako, normally ang ginagawa ko when they want something, talagang gusto kong makakita nila yung value. They work for it, no? Tumutulong sila sa tutorial, tumutulong sila sa shop, tapos I also get their ideas, no? Pag may mga projects kaming ginagawa, so sila yung parang they're with us doing things, tapos na-accomplish namin by and by. Kaya guys, parang it's so fun lang na ito yung maririnig mo sa kanila, no? And as they grow along, ang saya niyan kasi rather than focusing on the material things, they would focus more on the bonding moments, the priceless moment, that family time moment. So this would be a long celebration. Yan, diba? So yun nga, and really pray this year would be extra special in terms of we're praying on how we would like to celebrate this birthday month, no?
Thank you.
Yeah, guys, siguro lesson in life ngayon is we really need to teach the next generation the importance of spending time, more time with the family kaysa sa material things. Ang maganda kasi doon is yun nga, 'di ba? Kasi lahat ng tao ngayon pag kumakain, lahat nagse-cellphone, yeah. Tapos kahit na nagde-date kayo, both nagse-cellphone, 'di ba? So hindi na nawala doon sa sa focus ng gadget. So yung mga ganitong moment, it would always give us the time. It would always give us the time to talk, to share, share yung thoughts, share yung ideas, ano nangyari sa kanila sa school, kamusta yung ginagawa nila, kamusta yung mga passion nila, what they really want to do, yung mga ganun. So there are simple things na masasabi namin, no, na masaya lang. Dahil hindi ho lahat may ganitong pagkakataon na you could spend time, kasi madalas marami tao, lalo na kung taga Maynila kayo, talagang ang bilis ng oras, no? Pagkagising mo mamaya konti gabi na. So if you had the opportunity to bond, you have the opportunity to talagang spend quantity time with your family, make most out of it, diba? Huwag natin sayangin kasi at the end of the day, yan yung isang bagay that dadali nila na hindi nila malilimutan as they grow along, diba? As they grow along, as they, yung pag nagkwekwentuhan, nagtatawanan, yan yung mga moments na, Dad, did you remember? Blah, blah, blah. So pagka nag-aano sila ng mga pictures ng bata sila, ng baby pa, ng tawa, so guys, siguro yan yung isang bagay na pwede namin i-share sa inyo, na spend quantity time, no? So always be happy, no? Para walang anxiety.